swag, bitch.
To you laddies. Yeah, I sound like a child. Well, this is the new K300 Soundboard. It's for streaming, all kinds of different stuff. So you can do it on TikTok, you can do it on PC, you can do it on laptop, gaming, and other forth. Whatever you want to consider it. I don't know why I'm... Okay. Stand up, actually. Okay. So I'm here to show you that the sound quality is decent. If you don't hold it directly to your thing, because it's just terrible. It is terrible, like right here. You need it like right here or over here to actually get a good decent. So this is child mode that it's on right now, so you can sound like a child.
Then you have Joe Rogan, of course, which is male, which is oddly, weirdly, exactly sounding like Joe Rogan. Or you sound like the Tism guy, like hardest weed I ever smoked was cocaine. Give me an I, give me a T, give me a Tism. Hit her with the Tisms, risms. Yeah, so that's funny. So that's Joe Rogan or the Tism guy, whatever you want to consider it on the soundboard. Then you got
female, of course, so you can actually catfish a lot of guys if you're trying to make money at it. Now, it doesn't work for anything else, but it's stupid. So, yeah. I mean, you sound like a typical white girl, which is not really a problem, but it's weird, I will admit. Other than that, it's a lot of complicated ordeals. Now, we can switch it over to
original. And original gives you my voice. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the video. Now, I got this for basically product review purposes only. I can show you how I set up the cords. It's basically the USB cord to the power outlet, and then it's the mic cord, of course, and it's also the headphones plugged into the speakers. I don't know what all the things do, but apparently they do a little bit. But I have all three cords hooked into my computer, so that way I can have the thing work. And it's been working so far. I have shot this video like 15 different times and still don't have an idea of what I'm doing. Okay? But hey, at least I'm not dead. I mean, hey, it's alright. Iran's gonna kill us anyway. So, like, little stuff like that. And then I can say, oh, shit. That went real... So that went from a 0 to 100 real quick. Typing, of course. And then we have, which I don't like the laughter on here, because they have don't laugh and they have ouch. Here's ouch. Like, it just sounds like giggling. That just makes no sense. Then you have don't laugh. And then too hard, which is no understand. And then brother, I guess it's like brother, this guy stinks. Like, oh my god. Like, I would put that as bored. It says no. Like, I can read it. It says BORTHER. It says brother. It doesn't say bored or bothered or whatever. And then flow. I forget what that's from. I think it's either from, there's a lot of different movies that use that sound. I'm trying to think if it was one of the open season movies or something else, but that's besides the point. Then you got great. Damn! Face slap. Which doesn't even really sound like that. And then, of course, you got drums, like... Here, let's see what I could do. It's still recognizing my mic, so. Yeah, you got that. So that's all you got. You got a couple voices, and then you've got the voice recording mods. Like, so if you're doing music, this is also a good thing to have. So like you can do MC, which is a microphone. gives you a little bit of echo. So as you can hear, I'm just, woo. Beep, boop, beep, boop, bop. Then they got studio, of course, where you're in like one of those little sound booths. This is what it makes it sound like. Now, it's understandable that you could be this far away and still, sound record. Now, I can understand that you can plug an old-timey phone into this and make it sound like another song or do your own cover with it, which the microphone is everything in a song anymore. Then you also have a concert. So, I saw a truck backing out of your drive. You were sitting in the passenger side, listening to the radio. You had your sunglasses on. Now what else I got here? There's a couple different ones I have that I can use. Frank Sinatra. Do I want to use Frank Sinatra? Okay. I know I stand in line until you think you have the time to spend an evening with me. I know if I... Oh, fuck, wait. Hold on. I know I stand in line until you think you have the time to spend an evening with me. And if we go someplace to dance, I know that there's a chance you won't be leaving with me. Then afterwards we drop into a quiet little place and have a drink or two. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. I can see it in your eyes that you despise the same old lies you heard the night before. So I mean that's the mic. That's basically what it is. That's everything it does. I mean, you can tune down the dials, you can mute yourself, you can do whatever. But as far as I know, it is a funny thing just to do the male, the female, and the child voice. It's all good. And if you're trying to be like an artist or something, or just record sounds or something, this is also a good machine too. For the price it is, because it was like $37, and this is $20.25. So, I mean, put it that way. Now I'll be putting this back in the box until further notice, until I actually either have a podcast or, the boys want to test me some more, and I can just, mess with them. They're not gonna like me too much, but I don't give a damn. That's they deserve it. Why does it sound like a ping pong ball just dibbling across like? I used to love the sound voice guy from Police Academy, and it sounded like actual shots fired. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I didn't get annoying for you guys, and I hope that this either makes you want to buy it or find something different. Because as far as I'm concerned, I like it. It's cool. It's good for what it is. Probably will get another one eventually, but that's if I use this one enough. So I will see you guys in the next video. Well, maybe in the next video if I'm still here. Never let them.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.